Welcome to Expertise Revealed, 3 ways your strategy is failing. In this video, we'll discuss the common disconnects between content and conversion and how Creative Alley can fix them. The first failure is prioritizing vanity over value. Many chase likes instead of leads, resulting in high engagement that doesn't impact revenue. The Alley fix is strategy-first content, mapping every asset to a business objective for actual revenue growth. Next is the burnout loop. This happens when content creation is sporadic and driven by inspiration, causing your brand to go silent when you get busy. The Alley fix is sustainable velocity, building systems that maintain visibility without fatigue. The third failure is messaging noise, beautiful visuals that don't speak your truth, making you look like every other creator. Our solution is a cohesive narrative, aligning your core identity with premium aesthetics to command authority. Creative Ally's framework includes a deep audit to analyze friction points and stop leakage, a playbook that bridges high-end design and hard data, and a partnership for ongoing refinement as algorithms evolve.
Are you ready for an ally? The waitlist for our launch is officially open. You can follow us for updates or book a discovery call to learn more.